Zinedine Zidane's side host Javier Calleja's side on Saturday afternoon, looking to close the gap on league leaders Barcelona Madrid are fourth, currently 16 points behind their rivals in La Liga. Madrid are fourth, currently 16 points behind their rivals in La Liga and are just 4 points ahead of Saturday's opponents. Ronaldo and Bale looked in buoyant mood even though they are playing catch-up for the remainder of the season. Bale scored a first-half brace in the 2-2 draw last weekend, but it meant they fell yet further behind Barcelona. But on Friday, former Madrid captain Fernando Hierro defended Zidane. Real Madrid means that you have to win every game. Being second is not worth it. One gets used to winning everything. But when that isn't the case, it is not a good enough reason to want him out.